In a distant land beyond the reach of ordinary maps lay the enchanting kingdom of Ilaria. This mystical realm was renowned for its breathtaking beauty, where the skies were a perpetual blue, forests thrived in verdant splendor, and rivers glistened like liquid diamonds. The air itself shimmered with magic, the secret. Behind Ilaria's enduring peace and prosperity, the people of Ilaria lived in harmony with nature and one another, guided by the wisdom of the ancient 18 deep, precious commandments. These were not merely rules. They were the very essence of Ilaria's way of life, passed down through generations and etched deeply into the hearts of its inhabitants. The origin of these commandments is a tale of wonder and enchantment. Centuries ago, Ilaria was not the tranquil haven it is now. It was a land plagued by discord, with rival clans constantly at war, and dark forces looming from shadowy realms. The people were desperate for a way to restore harmony and peace to their troubled land. In their darkest hour, a wise sorceress named Serafina emerged. Known for her deep connection to nature and her profound understanding of mystical forces, she embarked on a solitary journey to the sacred mountain, a place of immense power and mystery. It was said that the gods themselves had once walked there. For 40 days and 40 nights, Serafina meditated atop the sacred mountain, seeking guidance. On the final night, as the moon bathed the mountain in a silvery glow, she received a vision. The gods appeared and revealed the 18 deep, precious commandments, each inscribed on a tablet of pure crystal. They entrusted these commandments to Serafina, charging her with bringing them to the people of Ilaria. Serafina descended from the mountain with the crystal tablets, her heart filled with hope and purpose. She called upon the leaders of all the clans and the wisest elders to gather in the great hall of Ilaria. There she unveiled the 18 deep precious commandments. Cherish and protect the natural world, for it is the source of all life and magic. Embrace and celebrate differences, for unity is found in diversity. Treat all beings with compassion and kindness, for every soul is precious. Seek wisdom and knowledge, for they are the keys to enlightenment. Speak the truth and act with integrity, for honesty is the foundation of trust. Face challenges with courage and strength, for adversity is a path to growth. Give freely and share abundantly, for true wealth lies in giving. Respect yourself and others, and honor the sacredness of all life. Strive for peace and tranquility, for they are the heart of true happiness. Embrace joy and laughter, for they are the music of the soul. Nurture creativity and innovation, for they are the sparks of progress. Practice gratitude and humility, for they are the roots of contentment. Live with balance and moderation, for excess leads to ruin. Uphold justice and fairness, for they are the pillars of a just society. Be loyal and faithful, for they are the bonds that unite us. Cultivate patience and perseverance, for they are the virtues of the strong. Hold on to hope and vision, for they are the beacons of the future. Above all, let love and unity guide your actions, for they are the essence of all that is good. As Seraphina finished reading the commandments, a profound silence fell over the great hall. The leaders and elders were deeply moved, for they felt the truth and power of the words resonate within their hearts. They pledged to uphold the commandments and to teach them to their people. In the years that followed, the commandments became the guiding principles of Ilaria. The land transformed into a place of harmony and prosperity, where the natural world flourished and the people lived in peace. The dark forces that once threatened Ilaria were driven back, unable to withstand the strength of a united and enlightened people. Seraphina's legacy lived on, not just in the commandments she brought to Ilaria, but in the hearts and minds of its people. The 18 deep, precious commandments became more than just words. They became a way of life, a testament to the power of wisdom, compassion, and unity. Generations passed, and the story of Seraphina and the commandments was told and retold, becoming a cherished part of Ilaria's history. Crystal tablets were enshrined in the Temple of Light, a place of reverence and reflection where people came to seek guidance and inspiration. Even in modern times, the commandments continued to shape the lives of Ilaria's inhabitants. They were taught in schools, discussed in councils, and celebrated in festivals. The people of Ilaria knew that as long as they lived by these principles, their kingdom would remain a beacon of hope and harmony in the world. And so, the 18 deep, precious commandments endured, a timeless testament to the enduring power of wisdom, love, and unity.